If Krita is not opening on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get the app launching again. This is usually caused by a corrupted configuration file, a background process that is stuck, or an issue with the installed version itself. So we'll start with the easiest fix first, then move to the next one if needed. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, we're going to reset Krita's configuration file. This is one of the most common fixes because sometimes Krita saves a broken display setting, shortcut setting, or startup preference that prevents it from opening properly. To do that, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. In the box, type %local app data%, then press Enter. This will take you to the folder where Krita stores its local configuration files. Now look through the folders in this location and find the file named kritarc. This file controls a lot of Krita's saved settings, and if it becomes corrupted, the program may refuse to launch. Instead of permanently deleting it right away, you can rename it to kritarc.old. That way, if you ever need to restore it later, the backup is still there. If you prefer, you can delete it completely, but renaming it is usually the safer option. After that, close the folder and try opening Krita again. If Krita still will not open, the next thing to check is whether it is already running in the background. Sometimes the app starts, but the window never appears on screen, so Windows thinks it is open even though you cannot see it. To fix that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and look for Krita in the list. If you see it there, right-click it and choose End Task. This force closes the stuck process and clears the way for a fresh launch. Once that is done, try opening Krita again from your desktop shortcut or start menu. If the installed version is still refusing to launch, then it is time to try the portable zip version. This is a very useful workaround because it runs separately from the installed copy and can bypass problems caused by corrupted registry entries, installer issues, or damaged settings. Go to the official Krita downloads page and download the portable zip file. After the download finishes, extract the folder to your desktop or another easy-to-find location. Open that folder and double-click kritarc.exe inside it. Since this version runs independently, it often opens even when the regular installed version fails. At this point, one of these methods should fix the issue and get Krita opening normally again. If the configuration reset worked, you were probably dealing with a settings problem. If ending the background task solved it, the app was likely stuck in memory. And if the portable version opens successfully, then the issue is most likely with the installed copy rather than Krita itself. If you want more quick troubleshooting guides like this, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.